It's no secret that the real estate market is booming, but the COVID epidemic is causing a lesser-known land rush. Indeed, some investors are spending millions of dollars for parcels of land that are not in New York or Beverly Hills. In truth, the plots do not exist in the physical world at all. Rather, the continent is found online, in a network of virtual worlds known as the Metaverse by tech insiders. Prices for plots have risen by up to 500% in recent months, following Facebook's announcement that it was going all in on virtual reality, even changing its business name to Meta. Don't forget to check the link in the description. Simply put, the Metaverse is the internet's next generation. It's difficult to describe accurately because there's no commonly agreed definition. The term was originally used in Neil Stephenson's novel Snow Crash, which was published in 1992. According to the book, the Metaverse is essentially a virtual universe inhabited by real-world people who may or may not be in the same physical place as others. A few years ago, the thought of investing in a piece of property that was essentially owned would have seemed absurd. Virtual real estate now sells for hundreds of thousands of dollars in tangible cash. As the Metaverse approaches, investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts are going all in, and purchasing virtual real estate is the next big thing after digital artwork. You'd be shocked to learn that the virtual real estate market has many similarities with its physical equivalent, particularly in terms of pricing. Ready Player One, a brilliant novel that was adapted into a blockbuster film, expanded on the subject further. Consider the Metaverse to be a network of 3D simulated worlds linked by virtual and augmented reality technology. Essentially, the Metaverse will let you experience the internet rather than accessing it through a computer. The Metaverse is the next iteration of social media, said Andrew Kegel, CEO of Tokens.com, a Toronto-based company that invests in Metaverse real estate and non-fungible token-related investments. Real individuals engage in these virtual worlds as cartoon-like characters known as avatars, much like in a real-time multiplayer video game. People can currently access these worlds via a standard computer screen, but Meta and other businesses have a long-term ambition of creating 360-degree immersive worlds that people will access using virtual reality goggles such as Meta's Oculus. According to a recent research by crypto asset manager Grayscale, the digital world might soon become a $1 trillion enterprise. Major performers such as Justin Bieber, ARIANA Grande, and DJ MARSHMELLO perform as their own avatars. Paris Hilton even DJ'd at New Year's Eve Bash on her own virtual island. Kegel's company just invested approximately $2.5 million in Decentraland, one of the numerous prominent metaverse planets. Prices have gone up to 400 to 500% in the previous few months, Kegel added. The Sandbox is another popular metaverse world, where Jan and Eurio's virtual real estate development firm Republic Realms spent a record $4.3 million on a block of virtual land. But what exactly is the virtual NFT metaverse land? NFT land is a digital plot of land that can be purchased in a metaverse project. The owner of a non-fungible token or NFT might use the land for a variety of purposes or simply for speculation. A metaverse project will typically divide its map into smaller sections and sell them in a single or numerous land sales. Payments are typically made in Bitcoin. However, some initiatives accept money as well. When a space is acquired, it usually comes with a 3D virtual experience for the owner and visitors to explore. Because the lands are NFTs, proving authenticity and ownership of these digital assets is simple. The owner has the option of selling their land on the secondary market through a third-party exchange or through the Metaverse project ecosystem. While some investors may be interested in speculating, others may prefer to use the land for its intended purpose. The project you select will have an impact on what you can accomplish with your land. If the property receives enough traffic, it's usual for spaces to host events, conferences, and even rent advertising space. Some organizations such as PwC have integrated their land into their services. If you bought land from an NFT game, it's likely that you'll get in-game rewards from it. Why purchase land in the Metaverse? There are two reasons for this: bragging rights and ROI. Right now, there's a slew of virtual real estate developments sprouting in the Metaverse. The idea is similar to purchasing an NFT. You own this digital asset, and because it exists on the blockchain, anyone can check its legitimacy. You can subsequently sell your virtual land if it grows in value, or you can rent it out, yeah, that's a thing, for parties or special events. You may even create a virtual residence and rent it out, or put up a digital art gallery and allow aspiring artists to showcase their work. Now, if you want to buy virtual land in the Metaverse, here's how to do it. Purchase a digital crypto wallet. The first step is to obtain a digital cryptocurrency wallet. Since you can buy virtual land using fiat money, you must first obtain a wallet in order to purchase and store your Bitcoin. The wallet you select should ideally connect with your browser. You have various options including MetaMask and the Trust Wallet. If you want, you can also utilize the Binance Chain Wallet. However, it is advisable to first determine whether the wallet supports the cryptocurrency you intend to use to purchase virtual land. Choose a real estate platform. You can purchase property on numerous virtual metaverse platforms. Decentraland and Sandbox are the two most common solutions. If you wish to buy through a third party, OpenSea is an excellent choice. OpenSea is a great option for first-time customers because it allows you to shop around without continually switching platforms. You can compare costs, features, and value based on the virtual neighborhood in which the plot is located. If you want detailed information on the location of your virtual property, Sandbox or Decentraland are the ideal options. You'll also gain a deeper understanding of your neighbors as a result of this. We'll be using Decentraland for this guide, but the processes are generally the same across all platforms. Browse for and select a parcel of land. Now all you have to do is look through the many plots of land that are available and choose the one you wish to buy. You can check how distant your property is from more well-known locations. Property prices tend to rise in close proximity to popular destinations. Once you've decided on a plot of land to purchase, simply click on it to view the relevant details. You can acquire virtual real estate on Decentraland with either ETH or Mana. You can look at the prices and submit a bid, or you can buy outright. However, before you can make your purchase, you must first link your wallet to the platform. Link your wallet. To complete your purchase, you must link your wallet to your account. Simply click on Jump In and sign up with your wallet. Your virtual real estate will be delivered to your wallet once you join up and confirm your purchase. You will become the legitimate owner of that virtual property, and anyone in the blockchain can verify its legitimacy. It's vital to know that there will be a petrol fee, so make sure you have a little bit over than the amount shown on the screen. You can also place a bid if you choose. This provides you some wiggle room because owners can choose whether to accept or reject it. Purchase confirmation. The transaction will proceed as long as you have adequate coins in your wallet and the price has been agreed upon. In your wallet, you can confirm your virtual real estate. If you're using Trust Wallet, simply go to Collectibles. To acquire MetaMask purchase confirmations, go to NFTs. Metaverse real estate is fundamentally a non-financial transaction or NFT. Because of their spectacular rise, there are numerous frauds out there that you should be careful of. It is usually advisable to buy from legitimate, recognized outlets. Also, if an offer appears to be too good to be true, it most likely is. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please do leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos. See you in the next one.